Welcome to today's deep dive into the MetaTrader 5 platform. We are looking at a stack of platform analyses, trading research, and some broker reviews.
Yeah, there's a lot of material to go through here.
Right. And our mission is really to figure out if MT5 actually helps you trade better, faster, and with more control, or if it's, just a forced upgrade bringing a bunch of software bloat.
Which is a huge concern for a lot of traders.
Definitely. Because when you're navigating the markets at light speed, you don't really think about the tires or the steering column until something actually goes wrong.
Oh, absolutely. And the moment you decide to take that daily commuter car off-roading, the hardware matters immediately. Looking at these sources, MT5 isn't just some simple patch for older software like MT4.
Right, it's a total architectural shift.
Yeah, it's designed to stop you from juggling multiple terminals. I mean, you're getting multi-asset capabilities on just one dashboard. Forex, indices, commodities, stocks.
And crypto CFDs too.
Yeah, which let you trade crypto price movements without dealing with wallets or, holding the actual coins.
Okay, let's unpack this a bit. Moving to MT5 is essentially like trading your reliable sedan for a massive SUV. Suddenly you have room for all this extra cargo, like the stocks and crypto, all on one dashboard.
That's a great way to put it. But it's not just about what you can trade, it's the mechanics of how you trade them. The sources specifically highlight these advanced order types.
Like the stop limit orders.
Yes. A stop limit actually combines two steps. Instead of just triggering a market order that might get filled at a terrible price during, say, a volatile data drop.
Right, which we all hate.
Exactly. It triggers a limit order instead. It basically says, once the price hits X, buy it, but pay absolutely no more than Y.
Wow, so it prevents that nasty slippage.
It gives you a highly precise mechanism for risk control. You pair that with the platform's added native timeframes and depth of market visibility.
Which physically shows you the available pricing, right?
Yeah.
And the volume of orders sitting behind the scenes.
Yeah, you get a much clearer picture of market liquidity. You literally see where the big blocks of money are actually waiting.
Which is incredible if you're chained to your desk doing deep top-down analysis on the desktop app. Though the mobile app is highly responsive, too. I mean,
Oh, for sure.
you can manage an open position while standing in line for coffee, even if you aren't doing insane chart markups on a tiny phone screen. But look, if you have all these new assets to trade on MT5, you can't possibly monitor them all manually.
No, you're going to want to automate. And that brings us to the biggest roadblock.
The strategy tester.
Yeah. From a pure performance standpoint, MT5's tester is heavily upgraded because it's multi-threaded.
Meaning it can use all your computer's processors at once, right?
That's right.
To backtest years of trading data in minutes instead of hours.
Mm-hmm. It sounds like an absolute dream for algorithmic trading, but the nightmare is the backward compatibility.
Oh, no.
Yeah, so MT4 runs on a language called MQL4. MT5 uses MQL5. They are entirely different. MQL5 shifted to an object-oriented programming framework.
Wait, really? So if I spent years and maybe thousands of dollars perfecting custom MT4 expert advisors.
Your automated trading bots.
Right. I have to rewrite them completely from scratch. That sounds like a massive barrier for experienced users.
It is. You're effectively being told to translate a complex technical manual into a completely new language just to keep your existing strategies running.
Ouch.
Yeah, for a lot of algorithmic traders with mature, highly optimized MT4 systems, that rewrite is a huge reason to hit pause. But for advanced traders needing that multi-time frame control across different asset classes, well, the new testing workflow filters out weak trading ideas exponentially faster.
So what does this all mean? We have a faster system with more assets, but I'm looking at this and thinking, none of this matters if my connection is lagging.
Well, yeah, the platform itself isn't making the trade, the broker is.
So is the MT5 platform basically just a high-tech steering wheel
Yeah.
while your broker is the actual engine?
Yes. And the broker is the actual traction on the road. You can shift gears as fast as you want with a multi-threaded strategy tester, but if the broker has poor liquidity...
Eating bold tires.
Exactly. You're still going to skid when you try to execute a trade. The broker dictates the spreads, the leverage, and crucially, the execution latency.
Right. So if their servers are slow, your fancy stop limit orders aren't going to save you from a bad fill.
Not at all. It forces you to evaluate the entire infrastructure of your trading, not just the charts you stare at.
To summarize our deep dive today, MT5 gives you incredible speed and multi-asset access from a single terminal, provided you're willing to leave your legacy MT4 tools behind and pair it with a genuinely competitive broker.
It is a serious commitment.
It really is. Which leaves you with this to chew on. Let's say you've done the work. You've customized the perfect MT5 layout, and you've secured a top-tier broker with blazing execution speed.
Okay.
When a highly volatile market event happens, does a faster, more advanced platform actually make you a more disciplined trader? Or does it simply allow you to execute bad decisions even faster?